Ian, very dramatic end to a game. What did you make of your performance?
Yeah, I thought we were outstanding. I think, being critical, we should have been 3 or 4 up at half-time. There's so many big chances. I think we hit the bar twice, the post twice. So, we come in at half-time happy with the performance, but knew that we'd let ourselves down a little bit in terms of being clinical. Second half, I thought it was a great contest, end-to-end. Both teams really went for it. Even when Wrecsam scored, both teams again were going for the win, and we're just thankful that one fell for us at the end.
Yeah, I was going to ask about that first half. A lot of frustrating, I suppose. I mean, Lily Billingham in particular, like doing a crossbar challenge, I suppose, doing very well. Honestly,
Lily's an incredible player, and she does it in training all the time. She's picking out every corner, and in matches as well. Recently, she's been scoring goals. So, it's one of them where you can either rest on it and think, well, maybe it's not our day, or you can just take that moment when it comes. So, I know Mick could have had a few goals as well across the team. We should have really put some more away, but it made for an entertaining game, and like I said, thankfully we got the win at the end.
Jenny, horrible way to end a game for you. Do you think your performance deserved more from the game?
Certainly our second half performance did. I thought we struggled to get going first half. There was definitely some nerves there, and I think we weren't as fluid in our game as we'd have liked to have been, but second half I thought we were excellent. The way we battled, the fouls came over and over again. We created chances, they created chances. Great advert for the league with the quality of football played today, but yeah, absolutely gutted with that right at the end.
Obviously all square when you came on, and then you get the winner late on. Talk us through it.
Yeah, I can't really remember it, to be fair. It kind of all happened, slow motion but very quick. It was over before it started. No words, we got the job done, so yeah.
Yeah, we're expecting obviously the challenge between you two to continue at the top right till the end. What do you take from this most going into the next bit of the league?
That we're competitive, that we're where we want to be, competing at the top of the table, that you don't get anything for free, you have to work for everything. We knew that coming here, that that they were going to cause us some problems with the ball, and they did, and some of their rotations, particularly in that first half, we found a little bit difficult to deal with, and that allowed them to create chances, mostly from like deep and from balls into the box and stuff, but we perhaps didn't find our fluidity with the ball in the first half, but I thought we definitely did second half, and we want to make sure that as we step into, obviously we've got a couple of games of phase 2 left now, but we know that we'll be playing Caerdydd again another couple of times at least, so we'll review it and we'll hope to be better.
Yeah, and the 3 points which takes you within 2 of Wrexham with a game in hand as well, back in your own hands, I suppose, a big result in terms of the league.
Yeah, for us, listen, even if we hadn't come away with the 3 points today, it was in our hands. We knew that we have to play Wrexham twice again. We also know there's some really good teams who are going to be up against us in phase 2, and we can't look that far ahead because we've got some difficult games coming up. Britain Ferry away is not going to be an easy game. Aberystwyth away is not going to be an easy game. So we know that we've got to now back this up. We can't just rest on this and think that it's all going to go our way, because if we slip up again in the next few weeks, we'll find ourselves chasing again. So it's all up to us now to make sure we make this count.